Have you ever looked at your Acorn account, seen those little acorns growing into a seemingly big tree, and thought, okay, it's time to harvest? If so, you're not alone. Acorn is a great tool for passive saving, but sometimes you just need that cash. So, how do you actually get your money out of Acorn? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about Acorn's core concept. It's essentially a micro-investing app. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Over time, those little acorns can turn into a pretty decent oak. But, remember, it's investing. This isn't a savings account. There's a key difference. So, why would you want to get your money out? Maybe you're saving for a big purchase, or maybe you're just facing a financial emergency. Whatever the reason, let's break down how to do it. Method 1. Selling your investments. This is the most straightforward way to get your money out. You're essentially selling your investments to convert them back into cash. Log into your Acorn account. This is the starting point. Navigate to your portfolio. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your investments. Choose what to sell. You can sell specific investments or your entire portfolio. Confirm the sale. Double-check everything before hitting that sell button. Important to note, there might be fees associated with selling investments. Also, remember that the value of your investments can fluctuate, so you might not get back exactly what you put in. Method 2. Transferring to your bank account. If you want to move your money to your main bank account, Acorn offers a transfer option. Link your bank account. Make sure your bank account is linked to your Acorn account. Initiate a transfer. Most apps have a transfer option. Look for something like withdraw or transfer funds. Specify the amount. Decide how much you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer. Double-check the details before hitting send. Keep in mind, there might be transfer limits and processing times. It's also worth checking if there are any fees involved. Method 3. Closing your account. This is a drastic step and should only be considered if you want to completely stop using Acorn. Review your balance. Make sure you've transferred or sold all the investments you want to keep. Initiate the closure. Look for a close account option in the app settings. Confirm closure. Follow the prompts to finalize the process. Once your account is closed, any remaining funds should be transferred to your linked bank account. Important considerations. Taxes. Selling investments might have tax implications. Consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with selling, transferring, or closing your account. Market conditions. The value of your investments can fluctuate due to market conditions. Time. Transfers and sales might take a few business days to process. So, there you have it. Getting your money out of Acorn isn't rocket science, but it's essential to understand the process and the potential implications. Remember, Acorn is primarily an investment platform, not a savings account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.